Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mami Nova Portrait and I'm going to skip a video. I'm going to share with you my simple tilapia soup recipe. Into ingredients nina set to her. Me throw nina. Ingredients I'm someone would ask as into me use them stocky process na metro. And then I'm going to use the 10 spice blend. Please, if you want to order, you can get a 10% discount on their website by using the code NOVA10. Wait, I will show you. So please, if you want to call them, this is their contact number and this is all their social media handles. Separate contact to order yours. Please go to their website and order and get a 10% discount by using the code NOVA10. Thank you. So these are my ingredients. I have onion, my ginger, my peppers, 10 spice blend, of course, my tomato, and my chicken stock, and now my tilapia, fresh tilapia, and then seasoning. So please, if you don't have the seasoning I'm using, you can use any seasoning of your choice, fish seasoning. Someone will ask, as into I'm using chicken stock, you better say. Yes, so now my tilapia is well cleaned. I'm going to add all my seasoning and onion. So I'll add my onion now. Then I'll add my 10 spice blend. Just about a teaspoon. Now add the chicken stock. I'll just add about a tablespoon full of the chicken stock. If you have, you can use any seasoning that you prefer. I'll add just about a teaspoon of salt. They are all up to your taste. If I think the salt is less, I can. Now I'll add my blended ginger and pepper to it. So after adding my blended ginger and pepper, I added a little bit of water and I'll cover it with a lid to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. So now I'll add my tomato passata and then cover it for another 5 minutes, then add my water to it and allow it to cook. So now I'm adding water to it. I'm adding hot water. You can use room temperature water, it's all the same. To fill it and now allow it to cook for another 10 minutes. Are you ready? Aye. Yes. The soup is ready. What I did was I left it to cook for about 15 minutes. Obi baby sir, why there's oil on top in your tilapia or oil pan, tilapia or fat? So if you use the same processor, there's a soup here. Make sure you the same result. Into no more, I did not add any oil, nothing. So a try recipe I'm called shower for send at Lovely Lifestyle on Instagram. I'll be looking forward to see your photos. Always, I'll be glad to see them. Miss Shawara, today is your first time I film a video on this channel. Please subscribe and share recipe with your friends and family. Next month, the Sunday, I'm just channel, the person share. It was the same channel. Listening, my number, ciao, ciao.